In this video, I will show you step by step how you can use Invideo AI to generate AI videos. Now, what we want to do is head over to Invideo AI, and then once you do this, you will then be brought over to the main app home screen. So it might take a couple of seconds to load up here, but this is what it will look like once it has loaded. And then what you want to do if you want to generate a video, as you can see, there is a little topic box right there where you can put in a description of what you would like to see in the video that Invideo AI does generate. So what we can do is we can put something really simple like this. So just something really simple like this will do. And then what you can do then is click on generate a video. And then once you click on generate a video, as you will notice, it will analyze the text and the description that you did put into the video box right here. And then what this will do is it will try to include everything that you've asked it to do in this box. Now, it might take a couple of minutes to go ahead and generate a video, so I will be back with you in a moment. Now, as you can see, what you'll get is you'll get this right here, so you can choose your audience. So this could be a content creator, entrepreneurs, the look and the feel, so bright, inspirational, clean, the platform that you are using it for, so that's YouTube, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, etc. Choose the one that you want. So for example, I will go YouTube Shorts. I will go with a bright look and feel, and also this is aimed at content creators. Click on continue. And then once you do this, as you can see, what this will do then is it will go ahead and start generating your video, and you can go ahead, leave the app and come back and get notified whenever your video is finished. So once your video has finished, what you'll get is you'll get something really simple like this. And then as you can see, what you'll then be able to do is you'll be able to play this through. And then if you want to edit it, for example, you can click on edit. You can choose the different thumbnails and the clips that I used. And then if you want to make any changes, what you can do is edit the script, edit the music. And if you want to make any changes, what we can do is you can go ahead and say, make this chapter half as long. You can go ahead and put something like, you can put something really simple like this. So make this video 30 seconds longer, and then go ahead and click on the blue arrow. And then as you can see, what I will do then is it will make the video 30 seconds longer. It will add in, more text, more audio, and also more stock footage. And then what you'll then be able to do is download this to your device and then upload it to whatever social media platform you prefer. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can use Invideo AI to generate AI videos. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.